Hi, I'm Jacqueline Roberts, and this is Module 11, Gifts to Students or Staff for EDL 854. So first let's talk about gifts to students. If a gift is being paid through school activity funds, then the gift can only be an incentive for fundraising events and should only be given to students who participated in that particular fundraising event. The incentive should also be age appropriate and shouldn't decrease the event's profit. And of course, gifts should be given equitably. Gifts can also be an achievement award. So again, prizes should be age appropriate and minimal in cost. And keep in mind that these gifts, while they can be funded by the school activity fund, can also be funded through donations. So moving on to gifts to staff. First of all, there might be special occasions that happen, for example, weddings or a death in the family. And these are generally paid for by staff remembrance funds, which comes from staff donations or annual dues. For example, at our school, full-time staff pays $20 per year and part-time staff pays $10 per year. These are managed by a committee. And gifts should be reasonably priced, and the dollar limits are set by the committee in writing. And the text also suggests that committee members should rotate yearly. So other gifts to staff can include fundraising incentives. So for example, if a staff participates in a fundraiser to help the school earn money, a gift can be given, let's say, to the highest seller. The gift must be less than 5% of the overall profit of the fundraiser. Finally, gifts to staff might include all staff gifts. This can happen oftentimes at the beginning of the school year or during Teacher Appreciation Week. These are generally funded by PTA or donations. However, if funds are raised by staff, funds can be spent on staff. So if a staff participates or does their own fundraiser, the money can then be spent on themselves. However, if it's a fundraiser for the school, the funds need to be spent on the whole school, not just the staff. It's important to check with your district guidelines before purchasing staff gifts from the general fund. Some districts allow it, but with stipulations, so be careful before doing that. Some final things to keep in mind is public opinion. You don't want to seem like you're spending school money frivolously. And then you don't want gifts that can be interpreted as disguised wages. So anything that might be seen that way definitely need to be taken into account on a staff member's W-2s. And then finally, let PTA organize special fundraising projects. For example, if a student or staff member is going through a life-altering event, it's best to let PTA organize that so that the funds aren't coming through the bookkeeper or someone personally.